guys, welcome to Lights, Camera, Action! I'm so excited to be doing this workshop with you guys. I just wanted to welcome you as you enter into our Facebook group. So let's talk about how this workshop is going to be run. Basically, each week I'm going to provide you guys with a video of instruction. Now, it might be about how to think of content, it might be what to use for editing, it might be lighting, it might be background. It's going to be a lot of things, and I want to break it down weekly so that it's not overwhelming, but I also want to make sure we're putting you to work, because that's the whole point of this, building a YouTube channel so that you guys can find new leads and have people contacting you to enter your Facebook group for information about how to join. And I know that it can be done because I've been doing it for the past year, and through this workshop, I want to share that with you guys. So I hope you guys are as excited as I am. Please make sure that you engage and talk and do the work, because if you don't do the work, you're going to get fired. All right, I'm not going to fire you, but again, this is for your benefit, and I hope that you find a lot of value in it and that it becomes a really successful social media channel for you. Now, while I have you here and you start browsing through our group, I just want to call your attention to the left nav bar. You're probably in the discussion section, or you might be in units. I just want to make sure you're aware of units, because that's where the bulk of our content is going to be stored. What's great about units is that I can create a topic, and then I can have separate entries in there, and I can organize them so that they're in order. And I hope that you find this very useful, especially as you come back looking for content that maybe you want to review again. So get ready. I hope you're as excited as I am to be delivering this workshop. Content will be coming to you soon. Bye!